Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui. I'm making this video specifically for people who own drive-thru restaurants and they're having a problem with customers coming through the drive-thru intercom lane, drive-thru lane where the menu board is and whatnot. And they are having a hard time hearing the order taker. See, there are always different problems. Sometimes people have a hard time hearing the customer, like the order taker, they have hard time hearing in the earphone. But sometimes it's the other around, where the customer cannot hear what the order taker is saying. For that, there's a solution now with a BGI amplifier. It's BGI-AMP18. And this is that little guy. It installs inside HME base stations. It can be installed in other brand base stations, but it requires a little, it's a little more involved than how easy it is to install it on an HME base station. But I'm going to show you how to connect this. Okay, so let's get started. So here I have an HME base 6 EOS HD 6200, but the installation is the same with 6100 or 6000 model. Basically it's the same thing. This is where your microphone and speaker are normally connected. So normally this is how microphone and speaker are connected, right here. Right here, this is the microphone plus. Let me zoom in. Actually, let me bring another cable which has writings on it. Right here, this one. This one is easier because it has writings on it already. Okay, so this is microphone plus, this is microphone minus, this is ground, this is speaker minus, this is speaker plus. So the way this little amplifier is installed, you only unplug the two speakers wires. Once you unplugged it, put this cable in there. So there are three cables that goes to this. One says speaker minus. Speaker minus goes in pin 7. This one is speaker plus, goes in pin 8. So speaker plus pin 8, speaker minus pin 7, and plus 12 volts pin 4. This pin 4 is plus 12 volts. Now I'm going to zoom in the camera so you can see better. Let's bring this here. Okay, so please pay attention. Speaker plus goes to pin 8. This is pin 8, by the way. Let me open this. Let me open all of these so you can see the pin numbers. Okay, so pin 8 goes speaker plus, pin 7 speaker minus, and pin 4 is positive 12 volts. Okay, then all these three cables go to this guy, right? And the actual speaker, green and white, goes to this guy instead. Green goes to green, white goes to white. You have to open the two screws and put the actual speakers. So this amplifier circuit goes between the speaker connection and speaker. It's just that simple. Let me zoom out. Once you attach the cables, let me attach the cable so you could see. there. So speaker plus is on this side, okay? It's like the other way around. And then speaker minus is this guy. Let me get a different screwdriver because that screwdriver is not cooperative. Okay, so we have speaker plus, speaker minus, and speaker minus pin 7, volts pin 4, speaker plus pin 8, and voila, this is it. That's all you have to do. This goes to the speakers outside. However, this cannot be like hanging here. It has an adhesive in the back, so you have to glue it somewhere in here underneath these two, right here or right here, away from here, because this is where the vehicle detector goes. So it cannot be right here because the vehicle detector goes here. It has to be here or here. But you simply peel off the 3M cover and the adhesive stick it there. Before sticking it, make sure you clean that area so there is no dust, because if there is dust, this is not going to stick, it will fall. And once you have this plugged in, you will have the volume outside will be very, very loud. So you have to use a screwdriver to reduce it. And reduction is clockwise and amplification is counterclockwise. It's just like opening a bottle cap. So if you open the bottle cap, more water comes, or tap, opening the tap, more water comes, more sound goes. But if you close it this way, lesser sound will go. This is with a flat head screwdriver. This is where you control the amount of sound outside. You don't have to play with this. You could adjust the volume from the menu. Right here from the menu, you could adjust the volume, but you could also do it from there if you wanted to. So this is a really revolutionary product because it makes a day and night difference in the amount of sound people hear outside. It makes it so loud that if you use the maximum loudness from like 100 feet from the drive-through lane, people could hear the worker speaking to the customer. So don't make it too loud, because there's a drawback. Because if you make it too loud, then you have feedback that the worker will hear his or her own sound from the microphone. It will loop back and will create all kinds of issues. So just make it enough loud for the customer to hear the order taker easily. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and also I'm going to put the link for where to get this in the description of this video. So you simply click and you can order it if you want. Thank you.